Hi, my name is Jacqueline Roberts, and I live in Denver, Colorado. I am a Denver native, grew up just south of the city. I work in Wheat Ridge, Colorado, which is just northwest of the city. I teach fifth grade at Prospect Valley Elementary, and it is my second year there. It is my eighth year teaching. So I've done fourth, fifth, and sixth grade. Um, I believe that two-way communication is really important. But first, it's really important to build that trust and openness where people feel like they can come and talk with you. And then also, I think it's really important as an administrator to reach out and seek out communication, as well as being really timely when responding and getting back to people. I think in order to improve my own communication skills, I've learned that I really have to reflect and, um, find my weaknesses and improve on them. One thing that's really helped me is the 7 norms of collaborative work from Adaptive Schools. And so there's the 7 P's of collaboration, including promoting a spirit of inquiry, pausing, paraphrasing, probing for specificity, putting ideas on the table, paying attention to self and others, and finally, presuming positive intentions. And something I know that I've had to work on is pausing and really just listening to others and letting others share their ideas. And so that's something I've really been working on and know about myself that I have to continue working on and be really conscientious of it. I think also, this course, I'm really excited to learn some new techniques and skills and ways to improve my communication with all stakeholders in the school and special interest groups. I think it's really important to ask for help when necessary. Currently, my principal is really open to, helping me throughout my journey getting my master's. And so using her as a mentor and utilizing her knowledge and her skills. And then when I become an administrator, making sure to still ask for help when I need it. And I think lastly, really just watching others, like I mentioned, my own principal, but just watching all others and the way they communicate and finding what I think is effective and trying to, adapt those skills as well. So anyway, I'm excited to kick off this course and see you later.